you sure, or did you just find another one?
I'm pretty sure this is the same one because a lot of it is explored and lit up. Wow, it's lit up anyway. Ooh, Certus quartz.
Do we need sulfur for anything?
No, because there's a metric fuck ton of sulfur everywhere.
Well, yeah, I just meant, do we need it, though?
I don't know. I don't know that we have a use for it. Look, I'm just after diamonds right now. I want to build this goddamn quarry and get on with my life. Hey, there's a creeper.
And be as swift as a
You
cold
can use
river.
sulfur to make any of the types of TNT. You can make flammable spikes with them.
Ah! Fucking creeper!
You can make a flux
tits.
capacitor.
How is it that I heard that?
Because I'm in the mine. Like, I'm in the same mine shaft as you guys.
That sounded terrifyingly close.
It really did.
It's possible. I mean, I could be, like, directly underneath you or something. Wait. I think I see an amber face.
I see your face. I hear you placing torches now.
I hear fire and I see oil. I feel like this is bad.
Yeah, the oil will start on fire.
Cool. Ooh. Oh. Awesome.
Oh, you're a level below me.
I'm below you. Oh.
You're directly below me. Hi, John.
Slightly terrifying that we had the same idea about the oil.
We should light it on fire.
Yep.
Use it to burn down all the cacti in the area. Because fuck Eric.
Ooh.
Fucking cacti.
Adamantine. Oh, right. I don't have enough strong enough pick for that.
There's so many minerals I'm just walking by because all I want are some fucking diamonds.
I'm just mining coal.
Well, yeah, but we don't want to hear about your day job.
I got the black long paw. Oh, shitty.
You guys just light up this spider dungeon?
What's that?
I found the spider dungeon again.
I wish I had a torch.
I wasn't going to. It's just lit up. It's all lit up. I left it alone.
Yay.
I just went around it because apparently when Eric found it, he didn't go to the other half of the...
There's a big ass fire here. Yeah,
I
so
told you, the oil
that catches on fire. Yeah, it's caught on fire.
Yeah. In fact, I'm pretty sure I know where you are.
So, I have a slight issue.
I opened up the oil. Oh, fuck!
I forgot to grab food.
Yeah, I'm out of food too.
And I'm
gonna head back soon.
I kind of fell down and don't know where I am.
When in doubt, dig up. But not directly up, because you'll regret that, because you might end up with lava on your face.
Gravel in your eyes. Gravel right up your butt, Eric. You really want butt gravel, Eric?
Oh,
is that what you want?
I was right by some stairs that I
found a different type of sulfur. Apparently there's metallurgical sulfur, and then there's ICBM sulfur.
I am so lost. Holy crap.
How dare you find pork in your pocket, John?
I love pork pockets. Pork pockets!
For kids.
I hear a zombie!
God,
where the hell is the exit? Oh god. I'm going to die down here.
When in doubt, dig up, Eric. Dig up. Dig yourself a staircase up.
That sounds like too much work.
Really? Hey,
not
I found more
necessarily.
mine.
Oh god, I just got stuck in a spider web.
Oh,
So yes,
so did
I'm going to-
I. Damn
I'm
it.
going to die in a hole.
You
It's even
have
playing
got to
sad
be
music.
The worst Minecraft player I've ever seen. I don't want to dig up, so I'm just gonna die in a hole.
It's playing sad music. It's all like.
Woohoo!
It knows I'm going to die.
I found a crowbar.
Ooh, you should kill the crows in it.
Melon seeds.
Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't
Steel
die.
shovel. I definitely want the steel shovel.
I just
Oh
want
god.
some fecking diamond.
I'm at the spider.
Are you even low
Bro.
enough to find diamonds, John?
Probably not. At the moment, I'm exploring this Kajigger.
A kajigger, huh? I don't think I know what a kajigger is.
Well,
I just walked past that spider bro you guys lit up.
My pick's about to
fuck, I'm
break,
stuck
but
in a
that's
cobweb.
okay.
By the way, Eric, cobwebs break really easily with swords. Like, that's how you break cobwebs, is with swords.
Shit.
This is the most expansive mine I've ever seen.
Shit. Oh, I'm in a mine shaft. I can fix that.
I think Amber's shitting herself over there.
Well,
Oh, God.
I didn't have enough wood to make a crafting table or sticks or anything, and then I realized I was standing between some planks of wood because I'm in a mine shaft.
I found a minecart with a minecart in it.
A minecart with a minecart?
It happened.
Yo, dog, I heard you like minecarts.
Damn it. I'm going the right way, but not the level. To get up a level, I think.
There is a creeper right by you, Eric.
Oh, goody.
At least according to the mini-map, which means that it could be, you know,
Could be
a
on
tunnel
different
over.
level entirely.
Well, maybe.
How can you tell?
Well,
If you look at the
there'll be a little
mini-map,
creeper face.
right next to your face.
I don't see this little...
You don't see a creeper face?
Okay, you're away from him now. You're okay.
I found the way out. I was running under the way out on the on the level just below it for like 5 minutes.
Good God, there's fucking oil everywhere up in this bitch.
How
in the
much
food.
oil is there, John?
Shit. I just found a big fucking big goddamn kajigger of oil. Like oil like you wouldn't believe. If I was an oil tycoon, I'd be doing a happy little jig because there's so goddamn much oil here. I don't know, the server's saying weird shit. It's like returning 1, returning 9. Just how to be returning something I didn't input. Oh god. I've got lava, oil, and water all around.
That sounds like a great mix.
That sounds like the mix for a very bad house fire. Wait, there's 2 types of silver ore?
Probably metallurgy, and then I don't know what the other one.
Expansive ores or whatever the fuck it's called.
Oh,
Unatabium. That shit from Avatar.
Oh, hey creeper.
I got magnesium.
I got a creeper standing beside me.
And quartz dust.
Ow! Damn it!
I can't read these signs.
I
Oh
got
god.
some platinum.
I'm going blind.
Level, I'm only at fucking 25? You gotta be kidding. By the way, guys, this goddamn cave is fucking huge.
Yes.
Like, I'm now down at level 18. Diamond spawn 7.
19.
Oh, shit, I'm a diamond.
Yeah, but they're most common at 12.
12, you said.
Yeah.